Go away, go away.
Hello, Ilano.
Yes, Ilano.
Listen carefully. You have failed at your wager. You must inform your fellow housemates that you have been instructed by Big Brother to wash their gym outfits.
Guys! No! Batuba! What's What's going on, guys? Yo! Did you stop me? You know the prank that I need this.
I told you guys.
Yes, and also I need to wash your gym clothes. God forbid.
Of course, you found out this is prank.
No.
Why?
I don't know. No, thing is, I didn't get the instructions. So the instruction was I should convince 4 people, which I did.
Yeah,
There
you
were 4.
did.
So you guys were just a bonus in it. And you guys ate, okay, the 4 people ate the raw onion.
Yeah, I know.
I don't know now what I feel.
So Ilano is acting surprised that she lost. Guys, I knew from when she did that prank during the day that Ilano will lose, because when she went to Didi and them to tell them that you need to eat the raw onion, or if you don't, you're not gonna win 3,000 for Zaka Pay and what's or not, I knew she was gonna lose, because Big Sister said the prank must be that nobody must suspect. Should anybody suspect that it is a prank or suspect what you are doing, then you will lose. So my take is that Ilano was not supposed to do the prank immediately after receiving a call, because now it was clear that whatever she's doing, it's a prank. Imagine, you can't just come and say, I must eat raw onion. Who will eat raw onion? I would never, right? So Didi suspected and was like, it's a prank from Big Brother. And from that moment, I knew that Ilano will fail from the task that she has been given by Big Brother. But this is so funny, guys. She's going to be watching the housemates gym clothes tomorrow after gym. This is going to be interesting. I'm loving the Big Brother house. Nobody's taking anything serious. Nobody's being offended because of why it's coming from Big Brother. And also, it's not prolonging, like it's just a prank. It's now then we are done. I think she should have just taken the call, wait, then, because it was during the day around 1, if not even 1 o'clock, it was before 1 o'clock or somewhere there, I forgot. But she should have just waited and only now make the prank. Then they would not suspect, because they'll be wondering, yeah, but then she should have just done something that confuses them or leads them astray. Then they will think that's the prank. Then after now, then she could do the actual prank. But anyway, Big Brother, it's lovely, guys. I'm loving it. Tell me what you think about the Big Brother pranks. I'm loving it. I'm loving them. Didi won hers, and now let's see other housemates, if they're gonna win after Ilano, if Big Brother will continue or stop. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you to the moon and back. Mwah.